First of the North Star is one of the most influential manga of all time. It's the manga that changed anime completely. Tetsuo Hara's art is some of the best in the medium. First of the North Star inspired Dragon Ball Berserk and JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. First of the North Star made martial arts battle anime so popular that allowed Dragon Ball to be created and Dragon Ball changed shonen. Also, the writer and artist of Berserk was the assistant of Tetsuo Hara while working on First of the North Star. Berserk also borrows lots of plot points from First of the North Star. Both Guts and Kenshiro get betrayed by their best closest friend and they seek revenge. And also JoJo's Part 1 is an obvious ripoff of, or it's inspired by First of the North Star. The art is directly inspired. You can see that it was copied off Tetsuo Hara's artwork.